In this video, we're going to do GoPro Hero 8 Black unboxing. This little baby right here. Hi there, my name is Errol, and if you don't know what the GoPro Hero 8 is all about, you are about to find out. So in this video, we're going to talk about the GoPro Hero 8. In the meantime, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And if you don't know what I'm all about, what my channel is all about, well, mostly it's about making money online, making money on YouTube. If you want to make money on YouTube, stick till the end of this video because I'm going to give away a free course. And at the same time, if you want to know how to make money online, which is what I'm all about, on the bottom left hand side of your screen, there will be a link, www.growwitherrol.com. Check out that link. So let's get started. Let's start the GoPro Hero 8 Black unboxing. So to all my YouTube subscribers, I want to thank you, and I've actually decided to unbox this camera for the first time with you guys, and you will see at the bottom right now that the seal is still not broken. And the reason for that is I'm closing with my thumb here because the serial code of the camera is right there, and I don't want you guys to use my serial code. If you don't know what the GoPro Hero 8 Black is all about, it's an action camera that helps you to shoot footage while you're cycling, mountain biking, diving. It's made for extreme sports. And at the same time, it's also made for deep diving, or not too deep, but this camera is waterproof for up to about 10 meters deep. So let's get right into it. Let me close that serial code and let's open it up for the first time together. In the comments below, let me know what you guys think about this. Do you guys like these types of things? And then I will in future definitely do some more unboxing with you guys. Let me try and open it up in such a way I don't really reveal the serial code. I'm not sure how critical that is. Okay, so let's go. So I've opened it up right now. Let me show you guys that's what the camera looks like, and then it also comes with its little lock-in screw. And let's start the unboxing. Let's see. In the comments below, let me know if you guys do have a GoPro Hero Black 8. I would like to know, and let me know you guys' thoughts as well in the comments below. So that's the box. Nothing left in the box. That's it. Box is now empty. Let me show you. There's it. And here's the GoPro. It's exactly what it's. So here's the little lock-in screw that I was talking about, or whatever they call it. Let's see. How do I open up this thing now? I think let's start here. So this is my first ever action camera or GoPro Hero that I've bought. I've never ever had in my life had one, and this is my first one. And after I saw a couple of reviews on this camera, I said to myself, I definitely gotta have one. Okay, so I've opened it up. Let's see what we're getting here. We get the USB cable in order for the charging of the battery, as well as I would assume for transfer, hopefully, of the data. I'm not sure exactly. And then here's the battery. What a massive battery, guys! Look at the size of this thing. Yeah, very small, eh? So yeah, that's what the battery looks like. And then, okay, obviously it's got to be that small because it's got to fit into this camera right here, which is just as small. Let me show you guys the size of it. So if I put my hand behind it, look at that. It's like literally the size of my hand palm, even smaller. Okay, so you get the battery, and then you get some little some adhesive mountings. This I'll maybe put on my bicycle helmet or something, my mountain bike helmet, I'm not sure. And then what else do I get in here? Let's see, I get absolutely nothing else, and that was it. Then we get the manual, which we will go through at a later stage. And then, how do I open up this thing now? I think there's a, so let's see. As you guys can see, it says they remove. Then what do I remove? Do I clip this up? Oh, okay. And then I would assume we just slide, no, I can't just slide it back. Do I now press the sides? Oh, it's got two little clips here. One on the left, one on the right. Press that in, and then I would assume you just slide it back or forward. Oh, forward. Okay, so let's slip it back in. Show you guys. Press the two pins and you slide it forward, and there it comes. So here's the other mount, which I'm going to take off pretty soon, and I'm not sure why it's stuck. Oh, this is part of, it's actually not a, I don't know if you guys can see that properly, but it's just part of the mounting for the camera. And that's it, that's the entire box, and it shows you, oh, yes, the instructions. How nice, Errol. Tells you lift up the lid, push the buttons, slide the camera forward. And there's something else here at the bottom. What's this? GoPro Plus. Shows you how to unlock, how to remove the battery as well. I've actually seen all of this on the internet. So here's the entire manual, how to get started with it. And then some GoPro stickers, which is quite nice. I like that. And let me show you guys what the camera looks like. Let's move this out the way. And that's it, guys. That's what the camera looks like. Look at that. Literally the size of, or smaller than my hand palm. So that's the side of the camera. Thickness of it, what? About the thickness of my finger. And then that's the back of it, which is a little peel off sticker that I'll eventually remove as soon as we do the installation of this camera. That's the side, the power button right there, the record button right there, and then this is the mount, or in order to remove the mount, you unscrew that, take it out, and then you remove the bottom piece. The nice thing about this camera as well is it's got the bottom section. As you can see, I think with the GoPro Hero Black 8, this was sold separately. I had to literally buy an entire mount for this, and now I've decided to actually make it part of the camera. And you can just fold it away like that. Otherwise, what you do is you just take it back out, and then we put the mount back on. Let's see, something like that. And then I would assume you put that in there, and you screw it in. And that's it. Let's remove the lid for the battery quickly. So apparently you have to click that downwards. So let's do it like this. That's it. Then you lift it up. As soon as you've lifted it up, you can actually leave it like that. Just slot the battery in there. Otherwise, you can remove the entire door. If you just continue moving it upwards, you take the battery and you would insert the battery this way around. Yes, this way, because the pins are on the inside. You take that and then you would slide that in right there. Okay, so I haven't even switched on the camera yet, so I'm going to follow the instructions, and then once I've done that, then I'll switch on the camera. And in my future video, so by the time you're watching this video, it might not be on yet or uploaded yet, but what I will do is you guys will see that at the end of this video, or on the top right hand side, there will be a little notification bell in order for you to watch the next video where I've actually taken some footage with the camera, pictures as well as some videos, underwater footage and everything. So I mentioned to you guys that I was going to give away a free forex trading, how to make money on YouTube course, and right about now somewhere on your screen there will be a video called how to make money on YouTube in South Africa. It doesn't really matter, it's for basically almost anyone around the world. So check out that video, watch that entire video, because in that video you will get access to my course for entirely free, and it will show you what steps to follow in order to get access to that course for entirely free. That's it. Cheers.